So this is the cart. Very handy. Goes on wheels. It was really easy to put together. Yeah, it only takes probably like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, maybe, depending. But yeah, it's really awesome. It looks good, and I have this in the kitchen, so yeah, definitely recommend it. And it's metal, very sturdy. Very sturdy, so yeah, you can put stuff on it. You can make a plant cart. You can put your plants on it, or
as you can see, it rolls really nice on carpet. And this is basically my salon, okay, my little mobile salon. I feel like it definitely helps me to stay a little more organized. So you can definitely put containers in here if you want to get a more organized system than I do. You can put some containers inside of it so you can have little compartments. It holds a lot though. It definitely holds a lot. I have a few items here, some down here, and some at the bottom. And y'all, it's definitely a life changer. If you are a content creator, especially, this is going to help you out a lot. And if you're someone who just does something that requires you to use a lot of materials or products or items, this is definitely helpful.